All right, number 1 for chapter 6. It says you buy roses at a flower shop for $3 each. How many roses can you buy for $27? Eben.
You would do 27 divided by 3.
Yeah, you could do 27 divided by 3, and what would we get?
You would get
9 roses. Another way you could do this way is a little bit confusing, but we've been looking at ratio tables a lot lately. Oh, goodness sakes. The light. Oh, man. Do you want to?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so if I buy 1 rose, so this is roses, and this is cost. If I buy 1 rose for $3 and I have $27, how do I get from 3 to 27?
times 9.
Times 9. And what's 1 times 9?
9.
So I can buy 9 roses with $27. So that's just another way to do that problem. All right, anyone figure out? Yeah, what's up?
I said you could also just do 3 divided by 27.
Yeah, that's what Eben was saying. 27 divided by 3. Yeah. Okay, number 2 says you are making identical fruit baskets using 16 apples, 24 pears, and 32 bananas. What is the greatest number of baskets you can use using all of the fruit? Okay, anyone know how to do this? Josiah?
You divide all of them.
Kind of, yeah. So we are going to find, this is our keyword. Anyone know what that word goes to? Greatest. Yeah, GCF, greatest common factor. Okay, so we're going to list off the factor pairs for all of these numbers, and the greatest one that we have in common is how many baskets we can make. Okay? All right, so 16, 24, and 32. So remember how with least common multiple, I told you guys that you could just start by listing off the greater number, and then if the smaller number worked, we were done?
Yeah.
Okay, same thing for greatest common factor. You start with your smaller number, list off your factor pairs, and then check those and see if they work for the bigger numbers. So what's my first factor pair of 16? 1 times, okay, then we have 2 times, does 3 work? Does 4 work? 4 times 4. Okay, so I'm all done. Where'd McKinley go? I told her, oh no, did she go to the office? I printed them next door. Okay, so we're going to check and make sure and see which one works. Okay, does 16 go into 24? No, so that one's not going to work. So my next biggest one is 8. Does 8 go into 24?
Yes.
Yes. Does 8 go into 32?
Yes.
Yes. So what is my greatest common factor?
8.
8, which means I can make how many baskets? 8 baskets. Does it say how many pieces of each fruit go into the baskets? No. So thankfully we don't need to do that. But if we did, we would just divide all of these numbers by 8, and that's how many of each fruit would go in the basket. All right, number 3, which equation represents the word sentence? The sum of 18 and 5 is equal to 9 less than a number y. Okay, Bella?
Well, it says the sum of 18 and 5, so it's going to be the sum of those 2 numbers
Okay.
added together.
Yeah, so sum means?
The answer to an addition.
Yes, answer to an addition problem. So 18 plus 5 is equal to, which means? Equals.
Yeah.
Okay, and then 9 less than a number y. So this is similar to our warm-up. Evan, that is not your Chromebook. Why are we touching it? Okay. Find her?
Yeah, she actually had to go get paper from the senator in order to print what we need.
I put paper in the printer for her.
Oh,
Oh, jeez. We picked out beautiful paper for it. Okay, so 9 less than a number y. What do we think this is going to be? Writer? So 9 less than a number y. Y minus 9. It looks like it would be 9 minus y. Why is it not 9 minus y? Less than. Okay, so that means y minus 9. Which one is that?
3. Oh, C.
C? All right, number 4. I don't actually have this one in front of me. Here we go. Number 4, the tape diagram shows the ratio of tickets sold by... Did they print on pretty paper?
Yeah.
Nice. This video is just chaotic. Thank you so much. Okay. Whoever's making that noise, please stop. The tape diagram shows the ratio of tickets sold by you and your friend. How many more tickets did you sell than your friend? So how many tickets did we sell altogether? 42. That means these pieces of tape represent the 42 tickets. How many pieces of tape are there total? 7. So, oh man. I'm recording too, so this video is just hilarious. I am. You guys can watch it later and be like, why is this video so long? Okay, so there's 7 pieces of tape that represent 42 tickets. So how much does each piece of tape represent? 6. How did we find that out? 42 divided by 7, right? So each one is 6. All right. Knowing this, how many pieces of tape or how many tickets did you sell? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which is 6 times 5, which equals 30. How about your friend? How many did they sell? 12. Okay. So you sold 30, they sold 12. The question says, how many more tickets did you sell than your friend? How can you find that out? JJ. Subtracting. 30 minus 12? 18. Which is H. Okay, number 5. What is my first step to number 5? Draw the line through the equal sign and rewrite the equal sign down below. Okay? All right, then from here, I want to get x by itself. How do I get rid of that? Plus 59. Minus 59, and if I do it to one side of my line, I have to do it to the other. Okay, my 59s cancel, and I'm left with x equals 112 minus 59. Can I do 2 minus 9? No, so I need to borrow. This 1 becomes a 0, and my 2 becomes 12. What's 12 minus 9? 3? Can I do 0 minus 5? No, so this is actually 10 minus 5, which is what? 5. So what's my answer? X equals 53. Okay, number 6. I printed it off, and it worked this time. Oh, you guys weren't here when I printed it off. That was 5th period. Okay, so number 5 says the steps your friend took to divide 2 mixed numbers are shown. What should your friend change in order to divide the 2 mixed numbers correctly? So it looks like what they did was they said, okay, 5 times 3, they turned this into an improper fraction, right? So 5 times 3 is 15 plus 3 is 18, so 18 over 5. 3 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3, and then over 2, which was the denominator. The error is right here somewhere. Anybody know what it is? Ahan? Nope.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
Wait, is it because, is it number 6?
Yeah. It's not the denominators.
Can I can say it, but I have to say that.
How do we divide fractions? How do we divide fractions? Keep, change, flip. So they did keep, change, keep.
Oh.
Okay, did they flip this last one? No. So what did they need to do? They needed to multiply by the reciprocal of 3 over 2, which is what? 2 over 3. Okay, so the answer is C. Alrighty. So that was the first 6. Let me just stop this chaotic video real quick.